Hey there everybody, it's Linnea, and I'm back with another Whimsy Stamps product reveal. So this is the Slimline Scenic Countryside die set. There are 6 dies in this die set. It's going to cut out a frame as well as a bunch of little pieces to create a beautiful slimline scene. And then there are those 2 border dies, so you can create hills of snow or of grass depending on what kind of scene you want to build. So I'm just going to snip apart these border dies from the rest of the die set. I prefer to cut all of these dies together. I just think it saves time and that it's easier that way, but you definitely don't have to. So let's take a look at all the dies that this Slimline Scenic Countryside set will cut out. There are a bunch of houses, there's even some little horses, there's pine trees, some lamppost flags, a picket fence, so many little items to create your scene. It's also going to cut out this frame, and it has little indents at the corners so that it really looks like a picture frame. Now when you use the 2 border dies, there are 2 different types of slopes. There's like a wavy hill background, and then there's a sloping hill. And you can layer these together to create different kinds of scenes. So here's a slimline card that I created just to give you some inspiration. I used the Slimline Scenic Countryside dies, and then I also used some other Whimsy Stamps products to complete my slimline card. So this is the new Whimsy Stamps Slimline Scenic Countryside die set. It is available now in the Whimsy Stamps shop. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye!